Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best high-waisted shorts with tummy control on the market. The FULLSOFT high-waisted biker shorts for women with a 5-inch inseam. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just looking for comfortable everyday wear, these shorts are designed to combine style, support, and performance in one affordable package. First, let's talk about the fit and design. These biker shorts feature a high-waisted silhouette that not only looks flattering but also provides effective tummy control. The elastic waistband gently hugs your waist, helping to smooth and shape your midsection for an attractive silhouette. This makes the shorts perfect for workouts where you want to feel secure and confident, or even as a stylish layering piece under skirts or dresses. The fabric composition is a blend of 92% polyester and 8% spandex, which means you get a super soft, breathable, and stretchy material that moves with your body. This blend also allows for a 4-way stretch, so you're free to perform any activity without feeling restricted. The shorts are designed to be non-see-through, providing you with maximum coverage and comfort during all types of movement like yoga poses, running, or weight training. Comfort is a huge factor here. The FULLSOFT shorts are crafted with interlock seams that minimize rubbing and irritation, so you can wear them for long periods without discomfort. The material is also quick-drying and moisture-wicking, which helps keep you dry during intense workouts or on hot days. Another aspect to note is the practicality of these shorts. Although this specific model doesn't come with side pockets, the streamlined design focuses on performance and comfort without unnecessary bulk. If pockets are a must-have, FULLSOFT offers other models with pockets as well, so there are options depending on your needs. Maintenance is straightforward as well. The shorts are best cared for with hand washing to maintain the elasticity and softness over time, ensuring they last through many workout sessions. The product is imported, reflecting a commitment to delivering quality at an affordable price point. Speaking of price, these shorts are highly accessible, typically ranging from about $8 to $10, making them an excellent value for the quality and features they offer. In terms of versatility, these shorts are a solid choice. The high-waisted tummy control fit makes them flattering for many body types, and their simple black color option blends seamlessly with different workout tops or casual wear. They're suitable not just for fitness activities like running, cycling, yoga, or gym workouts, but also for casual everyday wear and layering. Overall, if you're looking for high-waisted shorts that combine tummy control, comfort, and durability without breaking the bank, FULLSOFT's 5-inch biker shorts are an excellent option to consider. They deliver on the promise of style and function, making them a must-have addition to your workout wardrobe. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.